Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kiran. Welcome to another video in Selenium tutorial. In this video, we mainly discussed about iframes. The agenda of this video is what is the difference between frame and iframe, how to handle iframes with Selenium WebDriver, how to switch between frames. Let's see what is a frame. Frame is used to divide a web page into multiple sections, each within its own HTML document. The frames are used to create a layout for a web page such as header, footer, and sidebar. What is an iframe? Iframe means it is an inline frame. It is a HTML element used to embed another HTML document within the current document. Like it will displace the content of the one web page to the another web page. Let's see in practical. If I take this site ktmtickets.com, in this the train ticket booking, this is the different web page. If we click on this search, it will be redirected to the main page. We can give the source and destination. Like another one is the content of the YouTube, which can be embedded in this web page or attached in this web page. This is also one of the iframe. And like this, the ads, this is also one of the iframe. And another one is these are also iframes. In the elements, we can see itype iframe. These iframes are having the tag as a iframe. The tags of the iframe is starting tag iframe and end tag iframe. We can see here, this is the iframe which is showing this train search, and another iframe is this YouTube one. Let's mouse over on this, it will highlight the YouTube video. And another iframe is this one. This ad is also one of the iframe. This ad is also in the iframe itself only. This is like when the content of the one web page which can be attached into the another web page, that is with the help of iframe. Let's see the syntax of this, how to switch to the frames. Driver.switch to frame. We have three methods are there. By using these three methods, we can switch to the frame, and other two methods are there. We can use to come out from the frames. These are the methods. One is for the switch to frame. We can switch to the frame by using the index, by using the ID and name, by using the web element also. We are creating the web element for that, and by using the web element we can switch to the particular frame. Once whatever the actions we can perform in that web page or inside the iframe, once it was completed, we come back to the main document or a first frame. Then we can use the default content and parent frame. These two methods which can be comes out from the child frame to the main frame, or the default document, whatever the main document is there, we can use the default content to switch back to the main document or main web page. Here I want to enter the from and to into this iframe. By the time I need to switch to the frame initially, then only we can access the web elements inside the frame, or else it will throw an exception like no such element exception. In practical, we can see I written the main script like webdriver manager.chrome driver, initializing the Chrome driver with the Chrome driver, and get with the URL and maximizing the window. Suppose I want to enter the text in the from. This is the input. I will take the ID. I will write an export for this input @ID equal to. This is the customized export. Let's write here driver dot find element by dot xpath dot send keys. I want to enter the text in the text box, like suppose if I take Abira, then I will enter the text like Abira. Let's execute this. After executing this, it will throw an exception like no such element exception, because we are not switching into the iframe. Then it won't find the element. See here, no such element exception, unable to locate the element. It throws an exception, no such element. Method xpath, this xpath. Why it was unable to find means it is inside the iframe. Then initially we need to switch to the iframe. Let's see, driver dot switch to dot frame. This is the first frame, that's why I'm giving the index as a 0. First initially we can check with the index. Here we have 3 methods. One is by using the index, and by using the id and name, and by using the web element. First initially we can see the index. Let's run the program. Let's write a timeout, because it is our script is running a bit faster. This is the implicit wait. This is the implicit wait. I given the 10 seconds to wait 10 seconds of WebDriver. I already made a video for the waits. I explained detailedly in that how many waits are there in the Selenium, and which wait we are using by the time of scripting. Let's execute this program once. See here, it enters the Abira in the from. Earlier we are not switching into the frame, that's why it throws no such element exception. Let's see another one by using the name and id for the iframe. If the iframe has a id and name, then only we can use the id and name to switch to that frame. If is not available, then we can go with the index or the web element. See here, it has a id and name. This is the add. If you want to switch to that add or whatever the content inside the iframe, we can use id and name also. Let's see how to switch with the web element. Let's create a web element for the same first iframe to enter into the text into the from. Let's write a customized export. For this, I am taking the attribute is loading equal to lazy. Let's copy this and let's comment out this one, driver dot switch to dot frame. We can write the web element inside the frame. Let's execute this program. See here, it will enter the Abera in from. Once the actions we need to perform in the iframe is completed, then we can again move back to the main document or first iframe. Switch to default content. It will bring back to the focus of the WebDriver from child frame to the main frame or default document or the main document. If we want to count how many number of frames are showing in the web page, then we can, for finding the size of the iframes which is available in the web page, we can use driver dot find elements by dot export iframe. In a web page, how many iframes are there which is having the tag as a iframe. Dot size. Let's execute this. Iframe size. Let's execute this. It will print the size of the iframe and how many iframes are available in a web page. See here, 7 iframes are available in the particular web page. Like this, we can access the elements by switching the iframe, and we can get the size, how many iframes are available in the web page. And these are the methods we can use to switch to the frame by using the index, by using the name, by using the web element, and default content and parent frame we can use to return back to the main document or parent frame. That's it for this video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.